Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Talk Cars, and we're going to continue our Electra Meccanica series. This is going to be an awesome one, guys. We're going to have a special guest today, and that is Koch of Electra Meccanica, presenting to you guys a walk around the Solo. The best part of this is this. Chris said, hey, you know what? We can run a contest. So the thing is, if we can get 2,000 plus views here, we're gonna hook you guys up with an Electra Meccanica shirt, looking really sweet. So how do I get my shirt? Well, here's what you gotta do. First, you have to subscribe to our channel, right? That's gonna be so easy to do. Click a button, and then you want to click like, and after you click like, you're gonna click on share, and then you want to put on the comments, thanks, Chris, right? That's so easy, man. And then next thing you know, we're going to do the raffle thing. And after that, hey, you're going to get your shirt. So I'm not going to take any more time from my buddy Chris. So Chris, please show us all about the Electra Meccanica Solo. Here you go, buddy.
So, the Electra Meccanica Solo. Two doors, obviously, left and the right. The remote. Let's show you the storage. One is in the front. And one is in the back. Charging cable, 110 volt, and you can put an inductor on it to 220, and that's the pistol which goes into the vehicle. Road. Alright. First things first, water, hot day, cup holder. I have put a miles per hour range over here for you guys to watch the speed, because this one is in kilometer. But let's explain the car first. Two doors, obviously. Sweet stereo from Kennywood. You could put your own in if you want. Because you're sitting in the middle, you're sitting at the sweet spot. So this is gonna be a fantastic audio experience. If you're an audio guy, you just put your high-end stuff in and you have an orchestra all day long with this vehicle. This one we saw here is for storage. The back, the front, that's the parking brake, that's the toggle switch for neutral, drive, 1 o'clock position, 11 o'clock reverse, windshield wiper, fan, heater, heated seat. That's how you turn it on. Key goes in. Over here you have temperature of the battery. 12 volt is 14 volts right now. That's the amps, which shows you basically your RPM in your gasoline vehicle. That would be, it goes up and down. And that's the battery status. And I think one of the doors are not closed. There you go. Safety first. Here goes the seat belt. Neutral. You see it over there. Reverse. back view camera, drive forward. But before we do that, let's go in neutral, unleash the parking brake, and put this thing in motion. Again, this one is in kilometers and this one is in miles, so there will be a slight difference. Let's see how the people of Vancouver react to this vehicle. Most of the time you get a big response here. This one over here, the Kenwood radio, is a standard radio. You can put your LED screen radio which folds out in here, or whatever you like. Again, it's a one-seater electric vehicle. It's your vehicle, as this is my phone. I have my phone case on it, so this vehicle will be customizable to your needs. Just by the way, the steering wheel here you can adjust, more like a hot rod steering wheel. And on the left side we have the flash, the blinker over here on the left side, a blinker on the right side. And let's see what this thing can do here when we accelerate. And that's 50. So if you are an owner of a company or work for a company, this could be a good promotion tool for you, because you just put your logo on the side and away you go. You have storage space down here, which is good. Little purse, cup holder over there for your Starbucks in the morning, and away you go. The vehicle itself has no power steering. It's pretty light because it's under 2,000 pounds. It doesn't need power steering. The vehicle itself weighs today 1,380 pounds. The brake is not a power brake. You have to hit it a little bit harder, but you get used to it very quick, and it's actually a very fast stopping car. So, which brings me to a safety of this vehicle. It has front crumple zone, back crumple zone, and then 4 doors. It doesn't need an airbag. Again, it's under 2,000 pounds, and that applies for here in British Columbia. That could be different in your country, in your state, wherever you live. It has a nice handling. The steering wheel, I believe is from Sparko. I'm not sure about that, but it feels good in your hands. It's very roomy inside here, and I can still adjust the seat if I like. So adjusting the seat would be down here, moving forward, backward. Again, you see the leg room down here. It's still enough of room. So yeah, again, perfect solution here. Just take your arms out, away you go. So let's talk about the vision or the visibility in this vehicle. As you see, he has no back mirror. The vehicle itself tapers back. That means that the vehicle gets smaller in the back, or thinner. So you actually can see the vehicle behind me on the left and on the right almost completely. And parking is very easy. If you drive to a city, that's your parking spot right there. If you gotta drive over there, that's your parking spot right there. Again, as soon as you stop, people are attacking you. They want that vehicle. You know?
Yeah, all electric. All electric, so no gears. No gears. No engine, no gears.
So this is bicycle license or?
No car. No car.
This is insane, man. This is awesome. I mean, the hype these guys are generating is amazing. And the best part of that, it's not just hype. It's for real. You know?
And again, happy in a city, so perfect city car, perfect commuter car for these kind of reasons. Driving on the highway, no problem at all. This thing goes up to 85 miles per hour, and it is limited to that speed because we don't want that you guys start speeding in these vehicles. It's just another safety feature. However, if you feel that this is not enough for you, there are ways around. We have a race car version, the Solo R, which of course drives a little bit quicker, so like 4 seconds in acceleration, and we have tested the motor up to 220 kilometers an hour, which is 137 miles per hour. Not a big deal. It's electric. When we talk about torque, electric cars have torque from the first to the last second, so it's available right out of the gate. If you don't have your reservation in yet, go on to smallev.com or electrameccanica.com and make a reservation. It's $250, 100% refundable, so if you change your mind later on, if you don't like what you see, they give you your money back. Sounds fair? Another awesome program which Electra Meccanica has in place is Match My Deposit program. And that applies to all other manufacturing reservations which you might have. You might have a Tesla reservation. You might have a reservation for a Nissan Leaf, or a Porsche, or an Elio, Moto, you name it. Send him that reservation. You can go to our website, match my deposit, and type in your name, attach the letter, and click submit. They're gonna get back to you in 1 to 2 business days with your reservation confirmation. It's that easy, and the best thing is, you don't lose anything. You only can gain things. So the reservation which you have, for example, with Elio, let's say you have an all-in with Elio, $1,000 all-in. They're gonna credit you these $1,000 off a Solo. There you go, off a Solo. So the vehicle itself right now costs $15,500. The vehicle which you would get costs you only $14,500. Just with sending in your reservation. It's that easy.
Here, Chris wants to let you guys know how low the car sits. It's like 5 inches from the ground, and wanted to show you guys when you go over speed bumps, right? If you go pretty fast, well, yeah, you're gonna bottom out, right? So the coolest thing with the Solo, like even race cars especially, if you look at the bottom, it's flat, right? It gives you, come on Chris, get down there, yeah, it's flat bottom, gives you perfect aerodynamic, right? Cuts through the air so much easier.
So that was the Electra Meccanica test drive from the inside. However, you always finish your test drive or your drive with plugging your car in. It's that easy. License plate up, put it right in there. This lamp goes on, and it's fully charged when the lamp goes off. It's that easy. Plug it in, like your phone. Bye bye.